My name is Ethan Keller, and the song is called Waste Palace.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I can't even remember the old days. Might in fact a memory fades, but I grew up on the wrong side of the tracks where the creeping Jenny invade every crack, and a white trash come out the woodwork, jump back, said it with a dirty smirk. Wait a minute, who you calling trash? I might be another's treasure at the Waste Palace. I don't know what to believe. Stranded out the Waste Palace. All I wanna do is leave. So you ain't gon' remember these days. You'll select a memory cave and you'll say all the things that used to drive me crazy nowadays don't even faze me. The backseat to your daddy's mileage at the swap meet with your mama's baggage. Your worth might be hard to measure at the Waste Palace. I don't know what to believe. Spend it at the Waste Palace. All I wanna do is leave. Air Force One touches down in Mitchell Field. 100 handshakes with the 128th. Escalade motorcade waits on a tarmac. Camera zoom in on a lone man in a limousine. Driving up that street called KK through St. Francis and Cudahy to the university. Didn't even hear what he had to say. How's he gonna help me get